Hey everyone, how's it going? I am Louis, the average guy in 1983. Thank you for joining me on this little short. I just wanted to give a special shout out to Melvin over at Moro Motors because I had reached out to him on Wednesday regarding the issue that I've been having with my steering damper, and he reached out to me literally within 2.5 hours of me sending an email, and I got a notification of the product shipping, and sure enough I received it on Friday, which is literally 72 hours in from me sending the email with pictures and everything indicating what was going on. And yeah, so shout outs to Melvin. The only thing that's bad about this is unfortunately this thing is the same one that I have on my RS, made out of just plastic. So I am going to be modifying this, adding some rubber to the top here with some glue. So all I got to do now is just wait for the parts to arrive from Amazon so I can be able to do the installation. I will be recording this video, so keep an eye out for that so you guys can have a solution for the stability issues. Peace for now.